Welcome back. Week 2 of a closely watched double murder trial in Fairfax County is moving along quickly, with the defense calling more witnesses to the stand today.
Jay Korf has a live update after another really busy day in the courtroom. Jay?
Yes, indeed. Just got some information from one of our reporters who is inside the courthouse. Testimony just wrapped up for the day. We are going to be back tomorrow. Normally, in a case like this, we would not be. There would not be any testimony or any jurors coming in on Friday, but that's going to happen because of the pending snowstorm. And the judge actually suggested today, I just got this information, that they hope to wrap up testimony tomorrow and then maybe have closing arguments at some point next week, really depending on the snow situation. Now, what happened today was very critical. The defense called a lot of the investigators and their supervisors, essentially questioning how they collected the data in order to make these arrests and to figure out exactly what happened in this case, and even saying that there were disagreements about critical aspects of this case among investigators. Trial testimony alleges that former IRS agent Brendan Banfield, a husband and father, was having an affair with the family's live-in au pair, Juliana Perez Mogollahis. Court testimony also contends that Mogollahis and Mr. Banfield planned to run off with each other, so the two hatched a plan. Pretend to be his wife, Christine, set up an online fetish website profile in her name to lure someone to the home, in this case, a stranger named Joe Ryan. Authorities allege that on February of 2023, Ryan showed up at the Banfields' Reston home thinking he was going to have a consensual encounter with Christine. Instead, he was shot and killed. Christine stabbed to death. The au pair, who took a plea deal to avoid more jail time, testified that she witnessed Brendan committing those crimes. Prosecutors have also alleged that the au pair was also involved in the killings, shooting Ryan the second and final time. The defense spent this day grilling several key investigators and their supervisors at the time. For starters, the digital forensics investigator on this case was removed due to a supervisor questioning his conclusion that the online fetish account was set up by Christine, not her husband or the au pair, a critical aspect of the prosecutor's case. That supervisor has since left law enforcement. The lead detective was also pulled off the case for his inexperience, according to testimony. And the defense strongly is suggesting that supervisors were only pushing the catfish theory. The hope here, convince the jury this investigation was somehow botched or not done properly.
Did you ever say to any of the investigators that they arrested an innocent woman, talking about Juliana?
No.
That was never said by you?
No. I think what you're probably referring to is I expressed concerns about the articulation of how, the reasons they charged, but I think the charge was solid.
Did you change, distort, or hide any evidence in this case?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Did you direct anyone to change, distort, or hide any evidence in this case?
No, ma'am.
All right. Thank you. Nothing further, Judge.
So we should note that court resumes, according to the judge, at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Mr. Banfield has pleaded not guilty to all charges. I'm Jay Korf. Back to you.
As a reminder, we're also streaming the court proceedings on our website, and our digital journalist Jade Lawson is writing up live updates.